Welcome to our tutorial on how to copy a saved password in Chrome on your PC. By following these simple steps, you can easily retrieve and use your saved passwords for various websites. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on the More button, represented by 3 vertical dots. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 4. Go to Autofill and Passwords. Step 5. Open the Google Password Manager. Step 6. Select the saved password you want to copy. Step 7. Next to the password, click on Copy. That's it. By copying a saved password in Chrome, you can conveniently use it for logging into websites or applications without the need to manually type it every time. This feature saves you time and ensures accuracy in entering your passwords. Retrieve and utilize your saved passwords effortlessly. Follow these steps to copy a saved password in Chrome on your PC. Enjoy the convenience and security of password management. Happy browsing!